Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna tell you about handling a vehicle accident emergency. After watching this video fully, you will be able to handle an accident emergency. So, handling a vehicle accident emergency when faced with a vehicle accident emergency, maintaining a calm and composed demeanor is crucial. Your action should be immediate. Aftermath can greatly impact the well-being of those involved. Here a comprehensive guide on how to effectively handle a vehicle accident emergency. First of all, safety first. Prioritize safety by moving your vehicle out to the traffic if possible and turning on hazard lights. Set up warning devices like cones or triangles to alert oncoming traffic. Assess injuries. Check for injuries among passengers involved in the accident, including yourself. Call emergency services if there are serious injuries. Call for help. Dial number or the local emergency number to report the accident and request assistance. Provide accurate location details. Render and administer first aid if you are qualified to do so. Attend the bleeding. Perform CPR if necessary and reassure those involved. Control the scene. If it is safe, prevent further accidents by directing traffic away from the accident scene or using hazard lights and flares. Exchange information. Exchange contact, insurance, and vehicle detail with other involved parties. Don't admit fault or engage in heated discussions. Then document the scene. Take photos and notes of the accident scenes, damages, and any relevant factors. This information can be invaluable for insurance claims and legal proceedings. Gather witnesses. If there are witnesses, collect their contact information. Their accounts could provide vital insights into the accident. Report to the authorities. Depending on your jurisdiction, you may need to file a police report. Cooperate fully with law enforcement officials. Notify loved ones. This is the most important point. If you are able, inform your loved ones about the accident, letting them know you are safe and providing location details. Exchange information, which is the 11th point. Obtain contract and insurance information from other parties involved. Note the names of police officers on the scene as well. The 12th point is seek medical attention. Even if injuries seem minor, it's important to seek medical attention. Some injuries might not be manifest immediately. Contact your insurance. Notify your insurance company about the accident, providing accurate and honest information. 14th point, document everything. Keep all the documents related to the accident, including medical bills, repair estimates, and correspondence with insurance companies. 15. Follow up. Stay engaged with aftermath of the accident or attend medical appointments, cooperate with insurance claims, and follow up any legal proceedings. In conclusion, handling a vehicle accident emergency requires a combination of quick thinking, empathy, and adherence to safety protocols. Keeping a clear head, taking immediate actions to ensure safety, seeking medical assistance, and cooperating with authorities and insurance companies will help you navigate through this challenging situation as smoothly as possible. Remembering your priority is the well being of those involved, including yourself. So, the other point is about handling a vehicle accident emergency requires a calm and methodical approach as it can be stressful and chaotic situation. Here are 15 essential steps to guide you through this process of managing a vehicle accident emergency effectively. First of all, safety first. Your safety is paramount. Ensure your vehicle is in safe location away from traffic and turn on your hazard lights to warn other drivers. If possible, move to the side of the road. The second point, which is the most important about the handling a vehicle accident emergency, and you should take care of all the points, including this point also. Checking yourself and your passengers for injuries. If anyone is hurt, call 911 immediately or any other local numbers and provide detail about the location and the number of injured individual. Warn others. Flares or warning triangles or any other signs behind your vehicle to alert approaching traffic of the accident. This helps prevent additional accidents. The fourth point is call the police or ambulance. Even for minor accident, it's important to call the police. They can create a report which may be necessary for insurance claims. And then you should exchange the information about names, contact informations, insurance detail, and license plate numbers with the other drivers involved. Be polite and cooperative, but avoid discussing fault. The next point, document the scene. Use your smartphone to take pictures and videos of the accident scene, including vehicle damage, skid marks, and road conditions. This can be invaluable for insurance claims. And the seventh point is witness information. If there are witnesses about the accident, ask for their contact information. Their statement may help clarify what happened, and it also helps the police department. Notify your insurance. Inform your insurance company about the accident as soon as possible. Even if you don't plan to file to a claim immediately, then you should pay attention to the medical terms, medical ethics. If you or anyone else is injured, seek medical attention promptly. Injuries may not always be immediately apparent. Tow and repair. Arrange for towing and repair services if your vehicle is not drivable. Follow your insurance company guidance on where to take your vehicle for repair, and then you should report to the DMV. Depending upon your location and extent of the damage, you may need to report the accident to the Department of Motor Vehicle. Check locals regulations. The 12th point is remain calm and respectful. You should stay calm and collected when talking to the other individuals or drivers and the police. Avoid confrontations and arguments with anyone, as they would not help the situation. 13th point is follow the legal procedures. Cooperate fully with any law enforcement investigation agencies or police department. Provide requested documents and statement as required. Another point, which is the most important point, is to inform the loved ones about. You should inform any other individuals, their relatives, about the accidents, and you should provide them the location of the accident. If you will be delayed due to the accident, inform your family or friends about your situation. This keeps them in the loop and minimize worry. The last point is seek legal advice. If the accident results in significant damage, injuries, or disputes over fault, consider consulting an attorney who specializes in personal injury or car accident cases. Then can provide guidance on your rights and options. Remembering that handling a vehicle accident emergency requires clear thinking and be focused on the situation. And you should also focus on safety. By following these tips, the mentioned tips, you can navigate the situation more effectively and protect your interests and protect your loved ones. So here, this is my full video. If you like the video,
then subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for more updates and further notifications.